Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check a new 5-inch freestyle frame by Speedy. In this video I'm going to assemble the frame and go over its features, and soon I'm going to feature it in a build video. The Speedy frame comes nicely packed inside this black box. Inside, first of all, you can find the middle and bottom plates, the assembly diagram both in English and Chinese, Speedy branded Velcro straps for the battery and for an action camera, a high quality anti-skid battery pad, all the needed spacers and screws, side aluminum plates, and 4 replaceable arms. As you can see, everything was nicely packed inside the box, and I can also tell you that the quality looks great, and since this is Speedy's first frame, they are doing their best to create a good first impression. Now I'm going to quickly assemble all the parts together, and I will see you in a bit in order to show the results. As you can see, now the frame is assembled, so let's quickly go through its specs. The weight of the frame is 115 grams. The thickness of each replaceable arm is 5 mm. Its width is 10 mm. The thickness of the bottom, middle, and also the top plate is 2 mm. The wheelbase of the frame is 225 mm. The distance between the back motors and the front ones is 150 mm. And the distance between the right motors and the left ones is about 165 mm. The distance between the bottom plate and the top one is 25.4 mm. On the center of the frame, you can find both 30.5 by 30.5 and 20 by 20 mm mounting holes. The battery is intended to be mounted on the top of the frame, but if you wish, you can also mount it on the bottom. The frame supports 22 OX up to 25 OX motors, and over here you can find some extra piece of carbon in order to protect the motors. And finally, on the front of the frame, you'll be able to mount a micro-sized FPV camera. So overall, as far as I can tell, the quality of the frame and also the carbon looks great. And in terms of pricing, it costs $70, so it's definitely not a cheap frame. And I really wish that for that price they could have included an extra arm, and I'm going to try to talk to Speedy and see if they can make it happen. I also think that Speedy should consider adding 20 by 20 mounting holes on the front and on the back of the frame for mounting a VTX and a split style camera, and I would like to hear your thoughts about it if you think this feature is useful as well. Now, by the way, in addition to the frame, Speedy also sells 3D printed accessories which you can buy separately. So you can buy a Runcam 5 or a GoPro Session 5 mount, which comes with longer screws. So basically you will need to remove these shorter ones, then place the mount over here and use the longer screws to secure it. You can also get these arm protectors, which are going to protect your motors and arms and also double act as landing pads. Finally, you can also get this XT60 3D printed mount, which is a little bit overpriced in my opinion, since it costs $5. And also this mount for both FPV and radio antennas, which is bundled with 3 antenna tubes. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this frame, and I'm looking forward to feature it in one of my next build videos. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions about this frame, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.